आओ कंप्यूटर सीखें यूट्यूब चैनल welcomes you. Today in this video I brought full introduction about what is computer. So must watch the full video. Let's start. Computer is an electronic device that takes input from user, store and process data, then generates output. Or simply, we can say computer is an electronic device. The word computer comes from the Greek word compute, which means to calculate. Thus, we can also say that any calculating device comes in the category of computer. Now, parts of computer. First is monitor, second is CPU, third is keyboard, fourth is mouse. These four are main parts of computer. You can add many external devices to the computer. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. It gives power backup from 5 to 30 minutes. Printer is an output device. It is used for printing any document or file. Connection and ports. First is power cable. It gives power to CPU and monitor. Second is VGA cable. VGA stands for Visual Graphic Adapter. It is used to transfer video signals from CPU to monitor. Nowadays, HDMI is also used for this purpose. HDMI stands for High Definition Module Interface. Third is PS/2 port. These are connectors of keyboard and mouse. These are the oldest connectors. Left side, this is for keyboard, and the right side green color port is used for connecting mouse. Nowadays, USB port is also used for adding all peripheral devices. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It is the standardized the connection of peripherals. Peripherals means all input and output devices that are connected from outside. Working of computer. Basically, the work of computer depends on the following functions. First is input. Input means to enter data in computer. This work is done by input devices. Second is process. It means conversion of inputted data in meaningful information is called processing, which is done by CPU. And the third is output. Final results which are generated after processing is called output. These results are displayed by output devices. Instead of these, computer can also store the data and do basic controlling of other devices. The data is stored in the memory of computer. MU. MU stands for memory unit. It is part of CPU. The overall controlling from input to output is done by CU. CU stands for control unit. Control unit is also part of CPU. Next is booting. The process of starting a computer is known as booting. In booting, computer system checks all hardware parts and loads the operating system or main window. There are two types of booting. First is warm booting. In warm booting, computer system closes all programs, then reload Windows again. When we restart the system without being switched off, this process is known as warm booting. Second is cold booting. When the computer is started from starting or initial state, or after having been switched off or turned off. This process is known as cold booting. Desktop. The first screen that appears after starting a computer is known as desktop. It is the working area of computer. It is same as the top of your desk. All the work in computer is done on the desktop. Here I am showing you the desktop screen of Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows XP. XP is the old version of Windows. Most popular version of Windows is Windows 7. One thing you keep in mind that only the appearance of the screen is changed. The working pattern of all Windows is same. Windows is an operating system and working platform. It also gives an interface between computer user and hardware parts. It gives us graphical user interface which is very easy to use. It also provides the facility of multitasking and multi-programming. Now the parts of Windows screen. First is desktop. After booting, the first screen that appears is known as desktop. It is same as the top of your desk. It also known as the working area of computer. Now icons. The graphical representation of any application or folder is called icon. These are of two types, system icons and shortcut icons. The icon having a small arrow on the left corner is known as shortcut icon. It gives quick access to a file or folder. Taskbar, the line or bar located at the bottom of your desktop screen, it is known as taskbar. You can control many programs at one time by using taskbar. You can minimize any program in the taskbar. Now, Start button. It appears at the left side of the taskbar. It is one of the most important button in Windows. It contains all installed softwares, setting, run command, the main menu items, log off, shutdown, etc. At the right corner of taskbar, this area is known as notification area. Computer gives notifications from this side. It also contains network settings, date and time, volume, etc. Now, parts of application window. First is title bar. It shows the name of document and application what you are using. It located at the top of application. On the right side of title bar, first is minimize button. By clicking on it, the window becomes an icon at the taskbar. Second is maximize button. It is used to maximize the window to whole desktop. Last is close button. This button is used to close the particular application. The keyboard shortcut for closing any application is Alt plus F4. Second is menu bar. This strip appears below the title bar. It provides access to all functions of that application. Now, scroll bars. It is used to view full information on the page. These are of two types. First one is horizontal scroll bar. It is used to scroll your page from left side to right side. Other is vertical scroll bar. It is used to scroll your page upward to downward. The last is status bar. This bar displayed at the end of application window. It shows page number, line number, column number, etc. It shows the status of document. The blank area appears. This is known as working area of particular application. Now, my upcoming topics. First one is history of computer. Second, type of computer. Third, memory of computer. Fourth, input versus output. Fifth, hardware versus software. These videos are very helpful to boost up your knowledge. Please like and share the video, and if you are the first visitor to my YouTube channel, please subscribe it.